Hey guys, this is Hokma Finance Canada, where financial wisdom meets Canadian expertise. Subscribe now for smart money moves. Also, explore valuable resources and helpful links in the description below. In this video, we're going to show you how to apply for a loan on TD Canada. To start, open the website td.com. On their website, you will see a section for Easy Web Online Banking. Click on the Login button under Easy Web Online Banking. Now, log in with your username or access card and password. Once you're logged in, you will see several options. Click on Apply for a loan. On this page, you will see an overview of TD borrowing. To proceed, click on Get Started. Here, you'll see what to expect with TD borrowing. Scroll down and you will see an option to log in or continue as a guest. Click on the option that you prefer. So first, select the purpose of the loan. Click on the option that applies. Then click on Continue. After that, enter your first name, age, and province of residence. Then click on Next. Now, select the status of your residency, if you're a Canadian citizen, permanent resident, have a temporary visa, or a non-resident. On the field provided, enter the amount you wish to borrow. Then click on Next. In this case, I wasn't given a loan recommendation. If the same thing happened with you, you could have a meeting with a banking specialist for possible solutions. Just click on the button that says Book Appointment. Otherwise, just follow the on-screen instructions to finish the loan application. That's how you apply for a loan on TD Canada. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also check out our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.